Hi, would you like to see the general journal and general ledger reality? As we explained, in any accounting system, we traditionally we had to use the two books, general journal and general ledger. Let's see these books now. Firstly, the general ledger, which is classified into 6 sections according to the items in the accounting equation: assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity. And owner's equity, we can divide the owner's equity into 4 sections: capital, revenues, expenses, drawings, or dividends. And this is the reason that you can see that the book traditionally classified into 6 sections. Section 1 for assets, liabilities, Section 2, Section 3 capital, Section 4 expenses, Section revenues, Section 5 expenses, and Section 6 for dividends. And in this book, once you open any page, you will find that it's organized in the form of T account, left side and right side, as we explained in this chapter. And the left side we call debit side, and the right side is the credit side. Each page in the ledger will have the same format of T account. Regardless of the section, in all the 6 sections, pages are organized in the form of T account. Left and right, or debit and credit, in order to record the increase and decrease in these items as before. The general journal is not classified at all. The general journal is a very simple record, which is divided in a form of table of 4 columns: date, account title, debit and credit, to journalize the business transactions on daily basis. That's it. Have a good day.